In this video, I'm going to show you how to apply AI noise reduction in Audacity step by step so you can clean up your audio and remove background noise while keeping your voice sounding natural. This is a really useful process if you record podcasts, voiceovers, tutorials, interviews, or any kind of audio where unwanted hum, hiss, fan noise, or room noise is getting in the way. If this video helps, make sure to hit like and subscribe for more easy software tutorials. Let's jump right in. First, open Audacity and load the audio file you want to clean up. Once your project is open, you need to select the audio that you want to process. You can press F1 to choose the selection tool, then click directly on the track. If you want to edit the entire recording, simply press Ctrl+A to select all of the audio at once. This is usually the easiest option when you want the noise reduction applied to the full track. Now that your audio is selected, look at the top menu bar and click on Effect. From there, hover over OpenVINO AI Effects. This is where Audacity's AI-powered noise tools are located. After that, click on Noise Suppression. This opens the AI's noise reduction settings window, where you can control how the effect is applied. Next, you'll see a few important settings. Find the inference device drop down first. This tells Audacity what hardware to use when running the AI processing. If you have a dedicated graphics card, select GPU for the fastest processing. If you don't have a GPU available, choose CPU instead. CPU is still perfectly fine, it just may take a little longer depending on the size of your audio file and the speed of your computer. After that, locate the model dropdown. Here, you can choose the model that best fits your audio and your processing needs. Different models may perform slightly differently depending on the type of noise and the quality of the recording, so if you're experimenting, this is a setting worth paying attention to. In general, the model selection helps determine how the AI analyzes your audio and removes unwanted background sound. Once your device and model are set, take one final look at the settings to make sure everything is correct. If you're processing a voice recording, you usually want the effect to reduce the background noise without making the voice sound robotic or overly filtered. The goal is to clean up the audio while preserving the natural tone and clarity of the human voice. When you're ready, click the Apply button. Audacity will now start processing the selection. You'll see a progress bar while the AI noise reduction runs, so just wait for it to finish. Depending on the length of your recording and whether you selected GPU or CPU, this may take a few seconds or a little longer. Once the process is complete, listen back to your audio carefully. You should hear that the background noise has been reduced and the voice is much cleaner and easier to hear. This is especially helpful if you recorded in a noisy room or had a constant sound like an air conditioner, computer fan, or low-level static in the background. The AI will work to remove the distractions while keeping the speech as natural as possible. If the audio is still not perfect, you can always undo the effect and try again with different settings, or combine this with other Audacity tools for even better cleanup. But for most users, this method gives a fast and effective way to improve the quality of recordings without needing advanced audio editing skills, and that's how to apply AI noise reduction in Audacity. It's quick, powerful, and perfect for creators who want cleaner audio with minimal effort. If you found this tutorial helpful, please hit the like button, subscribe to the channel, and turn on notifications so you don't miss the next software guide. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.